Yan, if you're looking for something na healthier, sugar-free ma'am. Iba naman less sugar. Like yung dark chocolate ko, black coffee.
Sana may free taste kayo kahit coffee.
Free touch yan. Free touch yan. So, sige ma'am, I'll take that into consideration. For now kasi, free touch lang.
Ano masarap yun? For you personally?
Do you want sugar-free ba ma'am? O not necessary naman?
Madami bang sugar?
Ay hindi, puro less sugar kasi lahat sila. May iba kasi na...
Hindi problema kung less or...
Sige po. I would recommend yung blueberry or strawberry po ma'am. Real fruits kasi gamit ko dyan ma'am. Ito po ma'am, blueberry. Tsaka strawberry po ma'am. Blueberry ma'am. Sige po. Isang blue daw.
Credit card?
Ay, wala akong card eh. Pero meron ako ng mga digital wallet. Any QR code pwede po ma'am. Pag card kasi sa phone mo, online payment kumbaga. Thank you so much ma'am. Kung suklihan mo na kita, ma'am, 360 po. Ito po, ma'am. Thank you so much, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.